Your credit score is more than just a number. It's a reflection of your financial health and a key to unlocking your dreams. But what if that number isn't where you want it to be? Today, we dive into the world of credit scores, unraveling the mysteries and providing you with actionable steps to improve it. First, let's demystify what a credit score is. Think of it as a grade that lenders use to determine how risky it is to lend you money. This score is calculated based on your credit history, including your past payments, debts, and credit utilization. A higher score means you're a low-risk borrower, which can lead to better interest rates on loans and credit cards. So why is a good credit score crucial? It's simple. It opens doors to financial opportunities and savings. Why do credit scores drop? There are several reasons. Late payments, high credit card balances, or even errors on your credit report can drag your score down. Understanding these pitfalls is the first step in avoiding them. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your finances. Now let's get to the heart of the matter, improving your credit score. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Check your credit report. To get a free credit report, visit the major credit bureaus' websites: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Each year, you're entitled to one free report from each bureau. Once you have your reports, review them carefully for mistakes like incorrect personal information, outdated account statuses, or incorrect credit limits. If you find any errors, file a dispute with the respective bureau online or by mail to correct them, supporting your claim with any necessary documents. 2. Set clear financial goals. Now that you know where you stand, it's time to set some clear financial goals. Ask yourself, what do I want to achieve with my credit score? Maybe you want to qualify for a mortgage, get a low-interest car loan, or simply increase your financial security. Having clear goals will help you stay motivated throughout this journey. 3. Pay your bills on time. Paying bills on time is vital for a good credit score. Late payments negatively impact your score. To avoid this, set up reminders or use automatic payment options. This ensures you always pay on time, maintaining a healthy credit history and improving your credit score over time. 4. Reduce credit card balances. Another crucial factor in your credit score is your credit utilization ratio. It's the percentage of your credit limit that you're currently using. Aim to keep this ratio below 30%. Reducing credit card balances is one of the quickest ways to boost your credit score. Pay down those high-interest debts and watch your score rise. 5. Diversify your credit. Lenders like to see a diverse credit mix. That means having a mix of different types of credit accounts, such as credit cards, installment loans, and retail accounts. It shows that you can handle various financial responsibilities. However, don't go overboard and open too many new accounts at once, as it can have a negative effect on your score. 6. Keep old accounts open. The age of your credit accounts influences your credit score. Older accounts demonstrate a longer history of managing credit. Closing old credit cards, even rarely used ones, shortens your credit history, potentially lowering your score. Keep these accounts open to maintain and improve your credit standing. 7. Seek professional help if needed. If managing credit feels daunting, credit counseling services can help. These professionals provide guidance on improving your credit score, managing debt, and creating a financial plan. They offer support and advice tailored to your specific financial situation, helping you navigate credit-related challenges more effectively and confidently. Improving your credit score isn't an overnight process. It requires patience and consistency. Think of it as a marathon, not a sprint. Small, steady changes in your financial habits can lead to significant improvements over time. Stay the course and you'll see the results. Finally, let's talk about maintaining your improved score. Continue practicing good financial habits, pay bills on time, keep balances low, and monitor your credit report regularly. Remember, maintaining a good credit score is an ongoing process. It's about making smart financial decisions every day. In conclusion, improving your credit score is within your reach. It's about taking informed, deliberate steps towards financial health. Empower yourself with these tools and watch as doors to your financial future open wide. Remember, your credit score is not just a number, it's a key to your dreams.